Yes, we're proud to be Welsh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. St.Davids Day!
We're awesome at rugby, especially when we beat England and win the Triple Crown. It's the best feeling in the world.
St.Davids Day mean anything to me. I've been trying to put together that today. What does St.Davids Day? Well, really? Well, it is. I've learned to speak Welsh because I'm so proud of the language.
Can you say something in Cymraeg?
Dydd Gwyl Dewi St.Davids hapus.
I've always been proud that I am Welsh.
Very proud to be Welsh.
Melo, Welsh cakes, look at all. See?
Lisa, Laura, come here a minute.
And why am I wearing a daffodil to show that I am Welsh? It's St. David's Day today. I love St. David's Day. I love the daffodils.
It's something in your heritage.
I'm very proud to be Welsh, especially after watching the Wales vs Costa Rica game last night. Very touching, very moving, but the nation really came together.
To me, I've just come back from Afghanistan, so being Welsh means, to me, fighting for Queen and country and all that sort of stuff. It's cool.
Done.
Yeah, we moved here from London nearly 10 years ago, and I'm Welsh as far as I'm concerned. It's the best place on earth to live. Especially after last Saturday when we won the rugby.
Be Welsh, you're just proud to be Welsh. You know, you can't be nothing else.
Isn't she? We've got a red on today for Wales.
The heritage, I suppose, isn't it? And the sense of community and the humour as well. Welsh humour here is different to everywhere else, so that's what brings people together, kind of thing.
Well, we're a great nation. We all respect each other. The rugby teams are amazing.
Love Merthyr Tydfil. What more can you say? This is lovely. Did you make it?
No, I bought it from a shop. I should say I did, but...
It's really important to us. We're both teachers in Bishop High School, and it's really important for us to instill Welshness into our pupils. We celebrate St. David's Day. We've got an Eisteddfod for tomorrow, which is a full competitive competition that all the kids take part in, and it's all about celebrating being Welsh, basically.
As I say, my grandparents only spoke Welsh to me, like both sets, and my aunties. Because I went into the army and things passed, but then all my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, are all fluent Welsh speakers, So I got to pick them up again. Even my dog is bilingual.
Prime Minister said something last week, our Prime Minister, I've got my sympathy for him. He said that it's a proud time to be Welsh, Well, like somebody said, why is it now it's a good time to be Welsh? When was it a bad time to be Welsh? As far as we're concerned, it's a good time. There we are.
What else do you know?
My own language for anybody else.
She is. Is it?
Yeah. Shemai Yekida.
I am. Of course.
That'd be strange saying that in a Scottish accent.
It's lovely. It's lovely.
What is
Shemai Yekida. You're after us.
Hello, birdie.
Can you say it? Can you say Happy St. David's Day? Mommy, buy your sweeties, is it? Do you say it? Do you say it for mine? Say Happy St. David's Day. No.
That's not it.
Nice little flowers. Did you know flowers could weave? Or speak?